Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your GPS position on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can view your exact GPS position and coordinates on the Nissan Qashqai. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Tap Info in the bottom left of the screen. Then choose GPS position. You can now see your current longitude, latitude and altitude. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.